Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so changes save correctly. First, unlock your device with PIN, pattern, or fingerprint since you will change lock screen options. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen or Display depending on manufacturer. That area controls glance, widgets, and notifications. Make sure you're signed into your account so settings sync. This step ensures you can access the specific toggle to remove glance without restarting or losing personalization. You now look for the exact setting labeled glance, always on display, lock screen cards, or similar. Manufacturers use different names. Once found, toggle it off or change content visibility to hidden. Make sure to also check the widget and app permissions listed in that menu. Disabling the widget or revoking permission prevents glance from reappearing. If the option is in a separate app, open that app and turn off lock screen access. This removes the glance surface and stops updates from appearing. Finish by verifying the lock screen no longer shows glance. Lock and wake the device. If the glance remains, restart the phone to apply the change. If it still appears, go to Apps in Settings, find the app providing glance, clear its cache or disable it, and then recheck lock screen behavior. As a single troubleshooting tip, make sure your system and the related app are updated. If necessary, reset lock screen settings to defaults to remove lingering permissions or cached widgets that recreate the glance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.